I'll continue on. Okay, so I got to the top of this ridge here, and I looked at the map, and it looks like it's a little bit further, and then I go down to a creek. But yeah, this is where I ate a granola bar at and had a drink, some Gatorade. That hill, this way up here, pretty much killed me here. So freaking steep. Oh my goodness. But I got up here. Oh, and that one guy passed me. Looked like he is a second hiker. I let him go by me, so it was 5 northbounders and 1 southbounder, but that guy looked like he was just a second hiker because he had a backpack like I'm wearing. Well, not even like a backpack I'm wearing, just a normal backpack. But he does have the 2 trail poles, though, true trekking poles. So, I haven't quite had my lunch yet. I kind of figured I wanted to have my lunch down near the creek or something like that, so, you know, a little bit closer to when I end. But I have plenty of granola bars, so I don't have to worry about running out of those. And I also have packed in my thing some tuna fish crackers and a fruit cup. it comes with a cookie. I couldn't quite fit the box in, so I had to put it all in separately, but yeah, that's in there too. And also, I kind of wanted that guy to go on ahead of me, so because I would be talking, and it seems kind of weird that I'm talking to myself. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Is on top of this mountain here, I'm really high up, as you can tell. Yeah, it's just there's full service up here. Got like 5 bars. It's kind of crazy. I wouldn't think there'll be 5 bars up here, but yep, there is. It's good for anyone who ends up falling off this mountain. It is steep. Okay, let's continue going. I think I'm getting down to the cow pasture. This pasture. Just talked to a really nice guy. So, Justin's was his name. And maybe he'll watch this video. I got him to subscribe to my channel. Man, this is a steep field here. No wonder he said he was struggling. But he was saying he was going to try to do the Triple Crown in one day. One day. That's kind of crazy. I didn't know there was a Tinker Cliffs parking lot. I gotta look into that. If there is, maybe I'll do a McAfee Knob parking lot to Tinker Cliff parking lot. I never knew there was a Tinker Cliff parking lot. I learned something new, and he learned something new. Because I didn't know about the loop. You can do a loop hike. And I bet this is a muddy mess right here when it's raining, when it's wet out here. Ah. At least the trail's very defined in this field. Kind of crazy there was like no trail in the field. You just had to make your way from one point to the other point. hole, that ditch is too bad. It really hurts my ankles. Okay, there's that, and there's the hill, and there he is, way up there. Way up there. I think he's still up there organizing his bag. Well, we're walking along a stream, a creek. It's kind of crazy how we were just not long ago up there hiking on top of this ridge line. Where it's very steep on both sides, and one mistake you can fall off and hurt yourself, and now we're at the bottom. If this video ends up being too long, I might just make it a two-parter, because that 30-minute one was just a bit too long for my computer to handle. So I might split this off into two parts, 20 minutes each. It just depends, really. Because I do like walking and doing this part. It's great content. I like looking at the creeks. Okay. Don't be down here when it rains. Okay, look at that. 1.7 miles to 624 and 4.2 miles to 311, or McAfee parking lot. How about that? Across the bridge again. Well, this thing's shaky. Spongy boards too. had to make it tight though. Oh, now I'm back up again. Back up to this pasture. I wonder if those poles are so when you hike in the wintertime, you'll know where you're going. Probably. I have a feeling that's probably what it is.